it's Saturday, December the 8th, and yeah, it's a beautiful sunrise. It's roughly about 6:15 in the morning right now. This first day here in Sibaltan, and I really wasn't expecting this. I had thought that I was going to be hanging out in El Nido, but I booked the early top garden because I thought it looked cool, and I'm really glad I did it because I wouldn't have never discovered this town. And it is really quite a freaking gem. There's hardly anybody at the beach, and I just found out that the diving is really awesome here, and so I signed up for 3 dives tomorrow. Where we're going, I hear there's manta cleaning stations, so we hopefully will see some manta. A couple days ago they saw 4 mantas on one dive, so that would be absolutely amazing if I even see one. Anyways, yeah, so let's go get ready. Come get lost with me. Okay, so I just had my breakfast, grilled eggplant omelet, which was excellent, and heading to the dive shop. And that is what I'm looking forward to today.
In the Philippines, you find more or less 2 different kinds of mantas. The ones that we have here, the Alfredis, they're on average 3 to 3.5 meters. And at the moment, actually, we have quite a few juveniles as well. So babies that are about 1 meter and 1.5 meters.
Right now it's 8:47 a.m. and it's absolutely beautiful here. It's crazy. So time to get out to the boat. This is island. We're here, docked here, and we are having lunch. And this is a privately owned island, but we got the owner gave this dive shop mission to be here, and it's absolutely, it's amazing. It's really, really amazing. A lot of corals and really awesome looking manta rays. We saw manta rays. So yeah, just really good time. Now we are getting lunch. No, I just need to relax a little bit more.
Like every That's a shark group.
That's a shark group, exactly.
Fights right now.
Yeah. Everybody's showing their hats off.